The point is that a report like customer balance detail is dependent upon the accounts receivable account. It's showing what's running through accounts receivable. So if you post a sales receipt, it will not show up on a customer balance detail report. It will only show up in sales or income-based reports. So that's important to know. And this is a great example of the kind of things that you know, as a bookkeeping or accounting professional who's servicing clients using QuickBooks or QuickBooks Online, it's really important to understand these distinctions, because eventually you start to get to a level where you're working with clients at a level where you're trying to kind of get inside their heads or actually pull it out of them. What do they want to see? You know, and making sure that you understand that and how to take what's in QuickBooks and translate the information into whatever it is that the client is asking you for. So these kinds of things, these understandings about these things are really important in terms of being able to deliver the best possible service to your client. If you're the business owner yourself watching this, learning how to use this for your own purposes, then it's important for you to understand these things so you understand how you can get the information you need out of QuickBooks in the format in which you want it. That's the whole key right here. Is we spend all this time and money putting the information in so we can draw the information out. And when we're drawing the information out, we need to be able to predict how we want it to be laid out, and we need to be able to understand what's going on behind the forms when we're choosing, do I post an invoice or a sales receipt? Because if you decide it's important to be able to have everything run through accounts receivable so that you can have something like a customer balance detail report, then you can't use sales receipts. What you have to do is post an invoice, and then you can receive a payment on that invoice on the very same day. So it has the same net effect as posting a sales receipt, but this way the invoice puts the charges into accounts receivable, the payment closes out that receivable, and you have the complete picture running through that way. So think about that. Watch this video as you need to. Make sure you understand. And now we'll go on and talk about refunds. A membership to schoolofbookkeeping.com provides access to this entire course and many others. Visit schoolofbookkeeping.com to learn more.